Today we're staying at Bally's. We got our key after a quick check-in process. We got an executive suite on the 23rd floor. The long entryway is a great buffer that keeps you from hearing the noise that might be happening in the hallway. The room comes with a giant TV, an empty mini fridge that you can stock, some large dresser drawers, and a nice desk area. It has a very comfortable seating area by the large floor-to-ceiling windows. A very comfortable king-size bed with his and hers dressers, and a huge bath area featuring an oversized tub. There's lots of space on his side of the bath with a sink, counter, and facilities. Not only does it have a walk-in shower, but it has a walk-through shower with a nice big bench seat in the shower area. Her side of the bath has a separate sink and vanity makeup area, and a large closet complete with a built-in safe. If you're also ex-military, try to remember that we can't really blame Bally's if the walk-through shower reminds us of a chemical decontamination chamber. Overall, it's a very spacious room with a great view. And the view gets even better at night when the Venetian, the Wynn, the Flamingo, and the Link all light up. We really enjoyed our stay at Bally's. It's truly a classic Vegas icon, located in the heart of the Strip.